Now let's talk about learning vocabulary with contextual learning. Contextual learning introduces new words within meaningful sentences, stories, or conversations. And this is done to help enhance comprehension, understanding, and retention of the use of the word. One way to utilize AI with contextual learning and learning vocabulary for the English language is an AI story generator. Use an AI-powered platform like ChatGPT or Storyweaver to generate short stories that naturally incorporate high-frequency words. Students can interact with the AI to modify the stories and explore different word usage in different contexts. Also, AI chatbots can also be used for interactive conversations. Language learning chatbots like ChatGPT or Speak AI simulate real-world dialogues. Students can practice high-frequency words in a variety of different scenarios with instant feedback.
So the next prompt I'm going to go into here is I am learning English and I want to see my vocabulary words used naturally in a story. Can you create a short story that includes the following high-frequency words? Curious, explore, challenge, opportunity, support, encourage, achieve, reflect, solution, or journey. The story should be engaging and provide different context for each word. Also, after the story, can you give a short explanation of how each word was used and then suggest an alternative sentence for practice? So we're taking a key set of words here and we're applying it to the prompt to get the results of a story that has the words. It's engaging and provides different context for the use of the words so you get a greater depth of learning with the words. And then a short explanation of how each word was used and suggest an alternative sentence for practice, which is great because then you're going to expand on the knowledge. So what's produced here is the curious journey of Emma. Emma was a curious girl. She loved to explore new places, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. One day she found an old map in her grandmother's attic. The map showed a path leading to a hidden garden, and Emma saw this as an exciting opportunity to go on an adventure. So the words are bolded: opportunity, journey, challenge, reflect, and there's a dialogue in here. This will help you with the rocky paths ahead. And it's a story about a girl reaching the hidden garden. So it gives us those alternative sentences. The word usage in alternative sentences like curious, explore, challenge, opportunity, support, encourage, achieve, reflect, solution, and an explanation and a practice suggestion. So what that can do is gives us an opportunity to practice and expand past the word we were given, and also a practice sentence for the word with an alternative sentence. So you can dive into the story, then review the word usage, and then also have a practice sentence. So for example, with explore, she loved to explore new places. Explain means to travel through an area to learn about it more. They decided to explore the old castle during their trip. So all in one, it allows you to have a depth of learning within each word that you're trying to push yourself on. So the next prompt is about, working with a chatbot to create an interactive conversation. I want to practice my English vocabulary through a simulated conversation. Let's have a chat where you act as a travel agent, helping me plan a trip. I will practice using these high-frequency words: destination, itinerary, reserve, accommodation, sightseeing, transportation, recommend, affordable, adventure, cultural. Please correct my mistakes I make, provide feedback, and suggest alternative ways to express my ideas. Let's begin. Hello, welcome to our travel agency. How can I assist you in planning your next destination? I am interested in traveling to Argentina. What can I go? So I'm going to intentionally make a mistake. So it tells me it's a great destination. I think you meant to ask, where can I go, instead of what can I go? A better way to phrase my question would be, I'm interested in traveling to Argentina. What places do you recommend visiting? Now let me answer your question. Offers many incredible places to visit. I recommend exploring Buenos Aires. If you enjoy it, you could visit Patagonia. Cordoba is great. It's a place for colonial architecture and local traditions. Yes. Please create an itinerary. And let me review the word I wanted to practice. Accommodation. What accommodation is appropriate? Let's see if I don't capitalize the first sentence. So it has me going to Buenos Aires, Iguazu, Patagonia, returning. Now here's the recommendation. A better way to, instead of what accommodation is appropriate, what type of accommodation do you recommend? That is more appropriate. So that is a good way to begin a dialogue and have a dialogue within a chatbot and using it for practice for high frequency words or words that you're looking to expand your knowledge with.
Now let's talk about